Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. One of the biggest decisions you will make when building your Shopify store is picking the perfect theme because your theme sets the tone for your entire brand. In this video, I will show you how to choose the right Shopify theme step by step, plus some quick pro tips to make your store stand out. So let's get into it. So first of all, you just need to know your brand and products. First, before you even browse things, to think about your brand and what you are selling. Are you going to clean, hand minimal, bold and colorful, modern and luxury? So also think about your product range. Do you have just a few products or hundreds? Knowing this helps you pick a theme that matches your vibe and showcase your products in the best way possible. Now you just need to use Shopify theme store. Next, head to the Shopify theme store where you will find out free and paid themes and all will to work perfectly with Shopify. That for reason you just need to click over here, visit themes store, and it will redirect you to the Shopify themes store. Here you will find out the collections. Always preview a theme before to pick it. Click view demo store to see how it looks on desktop and mobile and imagine your own products in here. So I will going to choose this one. Just select this one and then select view demo, and here actually you will get to see the view demo. You can check the mobile responsive, you can check this one also, and then find out is it similar with your brand, is it familiar or not. Then you just need to focus your key feature. So when comparing themes, look for features that fits your business, like do you need big image sections for storytelling, mega menus for lots of categories, products quick view, built-in filters for the large catalogs. Also check for mobile responsiveness. Most customers shop on their phones these days. So good themes should load fast, look great on mobile and make checkout super easy. Then you just need to check reviews and support. Don't forget to check the reviews and developer support. Free themes are great for starting out, but premium themes often come with more advanced features and dedicated support. Read the other store owners way about the theme performance and how responsive the developers are to questions or bugs. Just come back to this one, and here you can see the review over that place. You can see they have the review, almost 2 review. Then here you can see reviews of them. So there is no review yet, so it is difficult to choose this theme. So you just need to find out any themes where you will find out the review, then review are good to hold it. So now when you're done, you just need to test before you commit. Once you find the theme you love it, test it first. Shopify lets you install and customize theme without publishing them right away, so you can play with it, the layout, colors and images. Make sure it is easy for you to edit because you will be updating banners, text and images as your business grows. When you are happy, hit publish and your store will look amazing.